everybody. Thank you for stopping by. Today I am not tying any flies. I just wanted to take a few moments and go over a company that I've been using for about the last 2 months called Anadromous Fly Company. They are an amazing company that makes fly tying tools and then tools that we can just use out on the water. So this is going to be super informal. Just you and me going over some tying tools and giving you my personal experiences with them and what I think about them. So this company reached out to me, and anybody who knows me knows that I will not promote anything that I don't believe in, that I don't stand by, that I wouldn't spend my own hard-earned money on. They're a great company. Their products are not Chinese knockoffs. I know a lot of people kind of veer away from smaller companies, for that reason. And, I'm going to be really honest with you. I'm not going to name names, but I've spent some big bucks on tying tools that have went super dull on me pretty fast. So, these guys, you can afford their stuff. You don't have to be a big name fly tyer, to buy their products. So, I'll stop rambling and we'll get going. So the first thing I really liked about this company, being a woman, and sometimes even men like it, is you can get custom colors, I guess. When I say custom, if you like a particular color, they probably have it. So anybody who's followed me for any amount of time knows exactly what my favorite color is. So I was super excited to see that I could get these in purple. They also, to step up on that one, is they have a titanium coating that you can get about on every product. And so it's not only purple, it's almost like a mermaid color. So I super duper love it. And these are actually their Hemostats. I love them. I had this one on my pack until I took it off to show you guys. I kind of have smaller hands, and sometimes Hemostats for me, I have a hard time opening, but this one only has, 2 clicks. So I can get it open and closed perfectly. It has hopefully it focuses for you guys, maybe. There we go. If you need to clean out, a hook, you can do that. And then it has some really good Hemostats on the front there. So they make these, and then they also make what they call like a Mitten Form. And what I like about these up here is, and again, I'm sorry guys if this isn't focusing in, but inside here is a flat part. And for me, I'm really big on pinching my barbs. Because I'm a catch and release person, I would prefer to not rip up the fish's mouth, and it's so much easier to get to release your fish. So yeah, I love these. I've got these on my pack too, and they're super easy for me to open up. And again, I have small sausage fingers, so so yeah. So scissors wise, like I was telling you guys, you can get different colors, and not just girly colors. You've got yellow. They make orange, which I don't have. They make just your normal gold colored. Like these are their hair scissors. I can pull these out for you guys. These are their hair scissors, and they're the straights. They do make curved ones, and again, they're a solid product. I mean, they're, they've got a little bit of weight to them. They don't feel cheap, and they cut like butter. Whip finisher that I think is really cool is this one. So it's a little bit bigger, which I use this one a lot for like streamers, like bigger flies that I need to. But what's kind of cool about it is it has a little blade kind of cutty thing at the bottom, so I can use that to cut my threads instead of having to use my scissors. So this one's the whip finisher with blade at the bottom. And like I said, guys, we'd be on here for hours if I showed you all the awesome stuff that they make. But for on the river, this is kind of cool. This is their 3-in-1 tool. So you've got your nippers, an area to sharpen your hooks, and then if you need to do nail knots. So really cool tool. I like the color too. So I carry that with me also. They're bodkins, and they have numerous different kinds. They're coming out with new ones every day. But I kind of like, they make a bullet one that I really like, and then this one is their disc head. So it really just depends, you know, your style of tying, whether you like holding it this way or this way. You know, and like I said, they're coming out with new stuff every day. So I think I want to show you guys some other stuff, so hang with me. These are their titanium coated spring scissors, and these ones are curved. I never used spring scissors before until this company. So I actually really like it for like doing egg patterns, deer hair, you know, just anything that you want to curve to. And I can get more precise this way than say with these guys. So if you have absolutely any questions, you can find me at South Dakota Fly Girl on Facebook or Instagram, and I'd be more than happy to answer any questions you have. We'll make sure to post a link below where you can find the company and look over their products. I thank you so much for stopping by to watch this, and I will see you guys again shortly for a giveaway. I'm going to do a giveaway on Instagram and Facebook. So you don't have to be on both platforms to be able to get entered, but we'll get that posted here soon. So thank you guys all for stopping by. Have a great day.